Bravo. Forward. Go with it. Ooh, good man. Forward. Oh, you sure you haven't done this?
Hei, salutare dragilor, din nou cu voi astăzi Sorina. Și ce credeți, suntem într-un loc special, Southdown Gun Club pe numele lui. Mergem să folosim voucherul cadou pe... mă și sperie deja puțile astea, pe care l-am oferit iubitului viitorului meu soț, cadou de ziua lui 23 septembrie 2022. Nu mai stăm pe gânduri, este o zi minunată de sâmbătă, nu plouă, asta înseamnă minunată în UK. Și ce să mai, nu mai stăm de vorbă, hai să tragem cu arma, pregătește-te, eu sunt ready să filmez și...
Și eu sunt ready să trag, să vă împușc.
Să nu mă împuști. Hai sus în recepție, hai să oferim gift cardul, să ne luăm instructorul și să înceapă ziua. Haideți să haidem! I wish to, but not for the moment. Right.
Right. Let's have you facing this way because I'm right from everybody. So, it is empty. Yeah. Okay, weight on your left leg. Now, this shoulder, I want you to push forward and up slightly. So what you're doing is creating a pocket for the gun to sit in. That's lovely. Right. Hand around the pistol grip. Finger on the safe point there. Bring your head forward a bit and drop it down onto the wood. So your right eye, go on in, flat in the middle and all the way down to the end. Now bring it down to my right eye. And I want to have a look where your eye is. That's actually perfect. So every time you start, get yourself in that position. Because what you're doing, you're using your eye to do the work. There are no sights on the gun, you can't aim it, you're pointing it, and it's an extension of your body and your eye. Okay. So know where the gun is in relation to your eye, but you're not looking at it, you're looking at the target only. Okay. Yeah, right, that's it, we're ready to go. So, to open the gun, pull the barrels down, there you go, all yours, tuck it under your arm. Good man. Looks professional already. One guy, this does kick a little. Well, heavy's good. Heavy's good in the respect of that it lessens the recoil. Okay.
O, da.
Stai mai în spate așa.
The first target. Back.
Okay.
Back. But we'll explain it all. Don't worry. Don't worry. Like you said, you haven't done this before. Right. Okay, everybody got their earplugs and their glasses, please?
Of course.
Including me, obviously. There we go, we're all safe now. Okay, into the cage, and as soon as you're in, the gun's over the front, and that's where it stays. All the shooting we do is from the safety cage. So the uprights are there. Stop you inadvertently turning around.
Okay.
So what we're going to do, we're doing the A-bird first, and we're going to do a couple without cartridges to get you into what you're supposed to be doing.
Okay.
So snap it shut. don't worry about that. It's done. Okay, so set yourself up in your shell. That's it. Now, see the middle. The clay go past it in your gun, and then you just follow it up. And as soon as the gun touches the bottom of the clay, you pull the trigger. You can't aim, you can't think. Just courage in your convictions, up to the back, pull the trigger.
Okay.
So, when you're ready, shout pull. Gun up, don't move things.
Okay.
Cheek firmly on the stock.
Yeah.
No, cheek firmly on the stock, really. Get it under your cheekbone. Because part of the recoil, that will come up and meet you in the face. That'll be the bit that hurts. So nice and firm. Right, shout pull. Pull. Bang.
Okay.
And again. One more.
Pull.
That's it. As soon as you get to the clay, pull the trigger.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hard. Pull the barrels down. Right, you're live now. Snap it sharp. Safety catch is now off. When you pull the trigger, it will go back.
Okay.
So, firmly in your shoulder, get your head nice and forward, make sure you're down the middle of the rib. Call it when you're ready.
Yeah. Pull.
Cheek firmly on the stock.
Yeah.
Ready.
Ready.
Just like that.
Yeah.
And again, same thing, don't change anything.
Yeah.
Exactly that.
Ready. I take it.
Yeah, you broke both of them.
Wow, from the second time.
Did
And
you
I
do that?
record it.
Right, open the gun. No, don't worry about that. Okay. Pull the barrels down. This is a clay gun. What happens is, once the safety catch is off, it stays off. Avoid we cleaning the gun or doing anything else. So, okay, rinse and repeat. Exactly the same thing again.
Okay.
There are no shortcuts. Same amount of work for each target, please.
Ready.
Missed.
Yeah. I was too slow.
You were.
Ready.
A little bit high.
Yeah.
So in between the two of you, now you're thinking about it. I don't want you to think about it. I want you to just do it. So the minute you think about it, you're adding things in there that you shouldn't. Just move, pull the trigger.
Okay.
As soon as you see the clay touch the top of the gun, pull the trigger. Instinct, please.
Right.
Instinct. Pull.
Wow, perfect.
Pull. Little bit too. Dive. Right, and again. Excellent.
Excellent. Have you heard that?
Did you get that one?
I did get that one. I just changed my camera battery.
Right. Okay, same again. Nice and smooth. Pull. Go with it. Ooh, start up. Good man. Pull. Are you sure you haven't done this? Genuine.
It was better that one.
Well, just shoot what you see. Don't expect it to be somewhere. Shoot whatever's in the air, because they're always deviant a little. So just go with the next thing.
Beautiful, aren't they good?
Pull.
Yes, Lord. Great start.
Okay. Pull.
Well done. Bloody hell. See?
Bloody hell.
Right, I think they're too easy really, aren't they? We better go and do something else. Come on.
A fost pe ușor.
Oh, ești tu prea bun.
That's good, that's confidence. That's confidence in yourself.
Nice. This is funny. I like
Good.
it.
It should be fun, that's where we go. Okay, try. Right, something a tiny bit different. We will finish on the hard one though. Right, what you've got in here. Bam. Okay. Makes it. Again, move with it. Shoot where it's going.
Yep.
So, couple without cartridges. What I want you to do this time, set yourself up, get your body comfortable where you're going to pull the trigger. Now, rotate the shoulders. Just above that strap. About there will do. Let go past the gun.
Yep.
Follow it, overtake it. Yeah, see? Everything's got to be right. Like I said, there's only one way to do it. Couple more. Now wait. Really? Stop. Right, something else then. Oh, I think we'll find a couple. Well, you're not shooting with it. You've got the gun heavy, the fact you've got to hold it like that,
Yeah.
which makes both it
Yeah, the shoulder.
and the shoulder you'll feel with it. Why does it come circles go down? You start at the bottom, and you see it go up. So you're slow at the gun tool, that's flowing down. So what happens? Then you might want to come back and do it again. You know what? Sorry guys, I'm going to have to move you up. Different. Okay. Again, we're going to pull the trigger to the most comfortable point. Rotate. Just below. You can see the target.
It's only me that's missing that.
No, you pull it. Pull. That's behind you. Just slowed your gun up too much that time.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh.
When we're loading.
Bum! De pe câmpul de tragere, direct în sufrageria noastră, unde e cald și bine. Dragilor, am uitat să fac încheierea la vlog, pentru că ne-am dat de la vorbă cu instructorul. Acesta ne-a spus că el s-a descurcat foarte bine pentru prima experiență. 9 din 10 a primit nota. Noi cu siguranță vom repeta această experiență și mă bucur că a fost un cadou inedit, mă bucur că s-a bucurat maxim, eu mă bucur că nu am surzit în zgomotul puștilor și Dacă și ție ți-a plăcut acest video, nu uita să dai un like și un subscribe canalului meu și noi ne revedem data viitoare cu alte vloguri.